Salute. Angenise kwa-marketing kancane. Uyabona marketing ayikho into eyistress ne-costa njengokusustaina i-advert on TV noma eredweni lokhu nje idlalile khona abantu bazoze bewuzwe lo mlayezo baletha kuwona noma bekubona ubuhle bale product oyidayisayo. Kuyakhosta ngoba phela kwa-advertising ukhokhela i-second ne-second ngokwe-charge yesikhathi leso i-advert yakhe ezodlala ngaso. So uma izodlala nge-prime time nje between 8 around 8 to 9 or 7 to 9 izokhosta kakhulu ngoba idlala ngesikhathi la khona abantu abaningi abahleli phansi ababuka TV. So ngalo ndlela kulukhulu usustain advert on TV and radio. That's why sometimes advert beqale beyifake i-30 seconds bese beyikhatha kancane igcina isibo 5 seconds kodwa usuya understand ngoba wayibona isaphelele kuzama ukukhatha ama cost. So sustaining an advert is a problem, but abadayisi bayafuna ukusustaina i-product i-advert yabo ngoba bafuna i-product yabo idayiseke ngoba the long advert takes the more i-product abayidayisa kangcono and abantu beqala bayithenga. Yingakho ke ngithi ukube kuya ngami ngabe niyayeka manje ukukhuluma ngoFloyd Shivambu. Ngabe niyayeka manje ukukhuluma ngoFloyd ngani senam advertiser and you are sustaining advert yakhe to the point that he becomes the politics yomkhonto. Our politics, people, is to transform the structures, the forms and ownership patterns of means of production so that we can change material conditions of the black oppressed. Our politics is not Floyd Shivambu. Yekeni bafowethu nami ngiyagcina ukukhuluma ngaye manje. Yekani ukukhuluma ngaye ngoba you are sustaining advert yakhe to the point that you start reasoning with people's brains, emotions and spirits, and once wakanjalo he's going to be a big thing that he's not. So ube kuya ngami ngabe niyayeka manje bakhomanda ukukhuluma ngoFloyd Shivambu. Amazi achithekile, there's no mechanism to get him back. His behavior doesn't suggest that he wants to come back. And even if you bring him back, the power dynamics will be terribly skewed emkhontweni. I-order ngesaphinde siyazi ne-authority ihlalaphi qhamukapi. So now what you need to do is to repair from his departure, unite the forces on the ground, provincial level and at national level. Ngesibuye sifocus kumkhonto ne-agenda yokuliberate abantu abamnyama. Yekani ukusustaina i-advert kaFloyd Shivambu. Phumani manje ey'ntweni kaFloyd noFloyd negama lakhe, including any other challenges la benibhekene nawo, Mabhida challenges and all that. Bafowethu, you can talk about the challenges of the past only when you are strategizing to improve on them, not just to moan about them. Abantu abakuthola ngukudla. Tell us, you can quote those things simply because now we are strategizing to fix them so that we prevent them from happening next time. But we can't keep on resuscitating negative things about umkhonto and we think people bazowuthanda. How people won't like something that is spoken negative about. And sadly, this thing is done by people who show themselves as passionate people about umkhonto, who want to save umkhonto, but we are busy resuscitating negative things about umkhonto. So isicelo masosha umkhonto ngixolisa ukukhuluma ngathi ngiphakamisizwe ngathi ngiyathetha kuyaphunyuka la kuphunyuka khona, but ngithi bukeni advertising leyo nto ukuthi into difficult to sustain advert ngoba kuyabiza, and the more you sustain advert le product oyidayisayo igcina aphila kubantu. Yekani ke manje lo nikhuluma ngoFloyd nikhuluma ngomkhonto nezinto ekufanele uzenze umkhonto, liberation of black oppressed, and share strategies to make us more effective in serving our black people who are suffering from oppression. That should be our politics. Nyazi wagogo we are used to politics of individuals. Hey, you Zuma this, hey, you Ramaphosa this, hey, you Mbeki that. But that politics doesn't liberate anybody. It divides. Again, we are focus on the purpose of the niyayazi asikwele phezu kwayo.